Bedi sir is guiding all the teachers. So एक थोड़े time बाद he can be saying that I have trained so many lakhs of teachers in the country during lockdown. तो वो एक distinction हो जाएगा बेदी सर का कि और आज जब मैंने उनसे रिक्वेस्ट की कि आप सर ये सेशन आप ले लें तो ही एग्रीड कि भाई टीचर्स के लिए कुछ करना है तो ही एग्रीड कि इनका शेड्यूल इतना पैक है उसके बाद भी ये इन्होंने अपना टाइम निकाला तो वी आर एक्सट्रीमली ग्रेटफुल टू बेदी सर फॉर दिस और सैटरडे को सर का एक सेशन है ही है प्रेजी पर तो नेक्स्ट वीक वी विल हैव डिफरेंट थोड़ा सर को ब्रेक देंगे बिकॉज उनको एनसीईआरटी एससीईआरटी का भी कई काम करने हैं दिस वीक वी विल बी हैविंग दिस 2 सेशंस ऑफ सर टुडे एंड ऑन सैटरडे as already informed to you today's session is on Google Forms Google Classrooms इनके ऊपर है हमारा सेशन and थोड़ी देर से sir will be starting with that so without wasting much of our time I hand over this proceedings to Bedi sir sir आपको एक पहले वीडियो दिखाएंगे और फिर अपना सेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे please enjoy the session ठीक है thank you so much thank you Bedi sir please
good evening to all. So first I am sharing one video which I have seen in 2015. So I want to share that video with you. Okay. So
Yes.
today I'm going to start. Shall I start, sir?
Yes, sir. Please, please.
Okay. So today I'm going to start first with Google Forms. So first I'm taking from the basics. Let me. Okay.
Google Ads.
Okay. Now first, uh, either you can. There are two options. One, either you can go through your Gmail ID. So I have taken this one. So from Gmail ID, you can go to these nine dots. Nine dots are visible here. So if you click on that, so Google Apps will be opened. From here, you can open the Google Form. From here, you can open this Google Doc. And next, I will take Google Classroom. From you can open from here also. Another thing, another way of going to this is you can simply type here Google Forms. Google Forms. If I click on this, so Google Forms are appearing. Now you can click on this. So Google Form will be open. So you have the option, you can open Docs, Google Sheets, Google Slides, Google Forms. So here I am going to take this one, personal and business. There are two types. So I take this one, go to Google Forms. Click on this. So this site will be opened, but I have already signed in. That's why this has been opened. But otherwise you have to sign it in your account. Let me change the account. Yes. So now we have many options here. Here it is forms. First is blank form. You can take contact information, RSVP, party invite. There are so many options here. So simply I'm going to take this blank form. So just click on this blank form. So this form will be opened. Now it is untitled form. You have to give the name. I'm writing here. Yes, now it has been opened. No thanks. So you can give the title here. Here you can give the title. Whatever you type here, it will appear here also. After that, you can change it. Suppose I want here to write demo form. So if I click on it, so you can see okay, demo form here, it has been changed to demo form. So after this second form, next is move to a folder. So you have created a folder and you want to save this form in that folder, because we can create so many forms. But after that, whenever you want to find out that form, so it is very difficult to find out. So you can create a folder in your Google Drive and there you can save it. So I click it on it, move to folder. So I have options here because I have already made these folders in my drive. So I can add a new folder. You can make a new folder, you can name it demo, then click on it. So you can, you have created a folder. Now this demo form will be saved here. Click on this move here box. So if I click on here, so this form has been saved to my demo folder. You can see here, demo form has been moved from my drive to demo. You can undo this or you can dismiss it. Now next one is, I want to change the name, title. title ko I can give, okay, I gave it webinar. You can give it mock test or you can give any name. So I give it webinar. And next is form description. If you want to describe anything here, you can write it here. Next type is, first one is questions, second one is responses. I will come later on it. Now come to this part. This part is customize theme. You can customize your theme. If I click on here, so these options are opening. You can change, you can select the, choose the image. You can select the image. Top पे आपके जो whatever you want to show. These are the images. You can take anyone. You can select anyone. Suppose I select this one. Then I have to insert. Go to insert. Now this image will be inserted in the heading. So this image is here. You can change the theme color. These are the options. You can change the color. And one more thing is here. You can change the background colors also. So you can see this one has been changed. Then you can change the font, basic font. So you have 4 or 5 options here. You can change the fonts also. So this part is over. Now come to the next part. Next one is preview. I will take it later on. Next one is setting. वो भी बाद में. Now come to this point. Here you can add a question. First part is plus sign. So you can add question here. I want to add. So just click on it. So question will be added. So you can see that the font size, font has been changed. So font again, if I want, I can change it here. I can change the font from here. This one. It's your option. Whatever fonts you want, you can take it. Okay. So now next part, which is very important. Okay, how to write a question. First one is I click it on here. So this option is here, question 1. Suppose you want to take the basic information of the student. So you can click here. You can write name of the student. After this, you have to, if this is short answer, there are many options here. One is short answer, second is paragraph, then multiple choice, checkbox. I will take all these one by one, but here you will click on the short answer because the student will give their name in one box. And one more thing, you want it, you have to make it mandatory. Mandatory means, okay, unless the student fill this box, he cannot proceed, he or she cannot proceed to the next question. So this is mandatory. If you click on here, required. So now this question becomes mandatory for the student to fill it. Because we are collecting the basic information, that's why we have to make it mandatory. Next one is, again, come to this point. If you click on here, first change it to short answer. Then we can ask the class of student. Class. Again, you have to make it required. You have to click on required, means this will be mandatory. Now, there is one more option. Either you can add question from here, or you can simply copy this one. This question can be copied. This is you can duplicate. If you click here, so duplicate question will appear. So here we can ask roll number. Roll number. then again it is required. You can remove this. Okay. So till here we have taken the information. Now we will go to the next part, which is based on the objective type and other questions. Now, first one was plus, second was one. You can import questions. You can import the questions from the previous form, which you have already made. From there, you can import the question. This is the add title and description for this. Second, you can add image to this. Sometimes geography teachers are taking this, so they can add the image of their map here. You can add video, and this is this you can add a section. If I click on it, so I will get another section. So one section is here. You can see here. One section is here. Section 1 of 2, in which webinar and name of the student, class, and roll number is there. So first part is over. Now we are going to the second section, section number 2. Here you can ask the questions from the students. So you can type here. Now I want to make it untitled section. You can write down. You can give the name of the section there. I can give section 2 only. So description is optional. You can give description. Then you can click on this, add question. Now yes. Now you can write any question. Suppose I'm taking the simple question. Who is like this. Let me change the font. I'm taking this. So I've changed the font to the basic. So who is the Prime Minister of India? So I can select the multiple choice. First option is second option. If you want to fill second option, you can add another. So again, you can add the option. Sambit Patra bahut aata hai aajkal to. So like this, you can give the option. Now after this, after selecting these 3 options, you can give 4, 5, any number of options you can give. Now after this, again here, don't click on the required, because unless otherwise it is clicked, then the student has to answer it. So here, description, go on shuffle the order. You can change the order also. Now you can add another question. One more thing, we can give the mark. Description we have to do mark. Okay, one more thing. If I make it quiz, here you have to go to the settings. In the settings, you have to select the quiz. Other options I will tell you later on. You have to select here quizzes. So make this as quiz. You have to click on this one. Make this as a quiz. Other options I will take later on. Save. So now you will get another option. Yes. Here it is. Like this, I asked who is the Prime Minister of India. So answer key you can write answer key here. Wait, I didn't give that option. Next one is. So answer key, go to the answer key. In the answer key, you have to select which one is correct. So if I select this one, Narendra Modi, so this is a correct answer. So you can give the points here. If the you can give the number was 1 mark, so I can give 1 mark. After this, click on done. So this question is ready. First question number 1. I can write here question number 1 also. And you don't have to save it again and again. It will be auto saved. You can see here saved in Drive. So every change you make, it is automatically saved. Next one is, you can write another question. So here I am taking, there are many options. One is short answer. Second one is paragraph. If I take paragraph, so you can, this will be long answer question. This so now after this, and you have these options, response, validation. If you click on there, now, actually one more thing here, the student can either write it here. Student can give answer right here. They can type it here, or second option we have, they can upload the images also. If I click on here, sorry. Answer key. Here you can write your answer feedback. You can write it here. You can take a link. You can put your video also here. So it can be saved as feedback. Here the length you can write. Length is regular expression we can take. It is regular expression. And one more thing, it can contain, doesn't contain, matches or doesn't matches. And these options are here. Then again you can add more questions. Okay. So after making this, if you have all made this, so you can make 3 or 4 questions. Now after making this, let me delete this one. I am taking 2 questions only. Achha, what about the descriptive question? If you want this answer, the student has to upload the image. You can upload the image also. Let me tell you again. I'm taking next question. Okay. Here, you don't want to type a question. You can simply take a picture of the photo. You can upload it. You can add, this is a add image icon. So you can insert the image. Either you can upload, or you can use your camera, or you can write your URL, your photographs from Google Drive. So many options are here. So you can insert images from here. You can insert from Google search. So if I write, look at that. So you can insert this image here. Select this, insert. So this image will be uploaded here. So now you can ask question about this. You can write your question here and the student can answer. You can align it, left align, center align. You can align this one or right align. You can remove it. So this option is very good option for the social science and even for mathematics also. So student can answer. You can ask the question here. You can ask any type of question. You can ask multiple choice question. You can ask short answer, paragraph, check boxes, draw boxes, file upload, linear scale, like this. And here, I want to tell you one more. Yes. In this question, it was a question was write an essay on Prime Minister. Okay. So either the student can write answer here straight away. The student can type here, or the student can upload the images. So you can go here and you have to select this box, file upload. I'm repeating again, go to this box and then you have to select file upload. Click on here, this file upload. So continue. Now these options are here. Now the student will have to upload the file. Means student can write answer on a page and then he or she can click a image and upload here. This we have done in our accountancy UT exam, where the student has to write an answer on the answer sheet. They have uploaded the images here. Now here there are many options. One is allow only specific file types. Means specific file types. If I click on here, now these are options. The student can upload only the document, or the student can upload the presentation, or the student can upload the spreadsheet, drawing, image, PDF, video, audio. So you have to decide in which form you want it from your student. So it's better to take it as image or PDF. So it's your choice. You can select any one, or you can untick it, and this will. And next one is maximum number of files. So here you may be having a problem because sometimes the student has written in one or two pages. He has written the answer on 1 or 2 pages. So whenever he wants to upload a file, if you limit it to 1, then he can upload only 1 file here. So he cannot be able to, he will not be able to upload the next file. So here, if you click here, you can give the options of uploading 5 or 10 files. So it's better to give it 5. Next one is maximum file size. So whenever the student will take the picture, so it may be of 20 MB or 30 MB. So it's better to increase the MB size also, file size. So you can select here and you can select the 100 MB file. Okay, so this is very important whenever you want the students to upload their file, upload their answers. Then you can select an answer key, and answer key may you can give the points. Suppose you want to give 1, 2, 3 points. So done. So like this, you can add so many questions. After this, you have to go to the settings. Oh, sorry. First, let me take to the preview. Now you can preview here. Preview. Select the preview. Now you can see the form, how it will be appearing to the students. So this is the image. This is the webinar 1. Name of the student, class. So there is star mark here. So it means these are mandatory to the student to fill. Unless otherwise I fill it, I cannot go to the next page. Suppose I click on the next page. So I cannot go to the next page. I'm unable to go to the next page because you have to select these options. You have to fill these forms. And one option is appearing here. You can see, but this will not be visible to the students. This is only for the owner who has made the box. This is for editing. So you can again click on this and you can edit it. If I click on here to leave. Yes. Now I want to come back. So now I'm taking the another part. Theme I already told you, preview I told you. Now come to the next part, which is setting. Click on setting. Now setting, the first one is journal. Suppose you want to click the email addresses of the students, so you can click it here. Otherwise in the test, we don't need the email addresses, so you can get it unticked. Limit to one response. This is important. Whenever he requires to sign in, he has to limit one response. Means the student can give only one response for one email. Then respondents can edit after submit. So this option should be ticked because it should not be given to the student to edit after submit. See summary charts and text responses. If you want, the student can, so you can allow it. Maximum size of files uploaded is 1 GB is given. You have to increase if you are getting many images. So according to your class size, you have to select these options: 1 GB, 10 GB, or 100 GB. So I take on 10 GB. Let's see. Because when the students will upload the files, if there are 80 students for 10 for 10 MB, 20 MB mom, so it will go to 60 or something. Okay, now next option. This one we have done. File uploaded. Next, for the presentation. Presentation means you can show the link to submit another response. You can shuffle the question order. You can shuffle the question. Order change. Whenever it will be shown to the next student, the order will change. Then quizzes, I already told you, you have to select this option. Then immediately after each submission, release settings, you have to go to the quizzes. This as quiz. And one thing I was clearing, okay, release grades. So if you have given all the multiple choice questions or 1 marker question which the student can attempt online, and then you can click on here this button. Immediately after each submission, the student will get their result. And second one is, if you want to see the result, if you want to check the questions again, so you can select this option later after manual review. So after manually reviewing the option, this one, you can give them the grade. This option is for subjective questions. Whenever you give subjective questions to the students, they will upload the images and then you have to check it manually. There is no other option. You have to check it like normally we check the papers. Then respondents can see the missed questions. This option should be ticked. They can see the correct answer. This should be unticked because if you're taking the test, and points value they can see. Then you have to select here save option. Then save it here. Now this has been saved. Now how to send it to the students? The next one is settings. Let me see. There is this one is okay. Now next part is send. How to send it? So if you click it on the send button, so either you can send it by Gmail, or you can share the link, or you can embed it in your web page. And more options are here. You can share via Facebook. You can share via Twitter also, the link. So after this, you can mail it here. If I click it here, so I am sending to promoters. If teacher can share their email IDs on this chat box, then I can share this form with them. They can fill it.
So
that I can
chat box में आज share हो सकता है इसका link?
नहीं, first there. Okay, I will share it. Okay.
हाँ, वो chat box में सबको फटाफट हो जाएगा.
Okay, I will take it. First option is Gmail ID. You can send it through by email. You can write their subject, and in the message you can write anything.
Please.
So email may you can share it with email. Then you can give the subject here. Subject option is here. You can write the message. And one more thing, you can send the form by email. Whatever form they have filled, they can get that filled form also if you click here also. If I click here, so the form will be included there. So next one is this one. This option is click link. Sorry. So link. This one is a bigger link, or you can shorten the link also. If you get it shortened, now you can copy the link and you can send it by any source, through mail, email, through WhatsApp, through Twitter, through Facebook, wherever you want, you can share that link. Or even you can share a copy here. Even you can share here also in the message box, messages, you can put this link here also. Okay. So this point is clear, I think. Send form, how to send the link. Now I'm taking this link, I'm sending you in the chat box. Now I've shared this one. So you can open this, just fill this. Then I will tell you how will you get the responses. Teachers, please fill this form by clicking on the link. Sir, I have shared the link.
जी sir.
Okay. Now after this, suppose I want to, suppose I am making the paper and one more subject teacher is there, and I want to share with that teacher my form. Okay. But if I share with the teacher will get all the responses. Suppose I have 40 students, the teacher has 37 students. So both of us will get 77 students responses. So how can I separate this form? This is a very important option. Okay, how can you make the other teacher as a honor? Only you can see this now. I have received these responses. Let me check it again. I have click on the responses. So I have received these responses. Now you can see okay, average is 1 out of 4, median is 1 out of 4, range is 1 out of 4. So these are the email IDs I got. Scores not released. You can see here scores not released because I unticked that option. If I tick that option, then the scores will be released to the students. So you have filled this one. Now, after this, these are the names of the students, or here so teachers हैं, but name of the students will appear like this. So you can select anyone and you can see. So these are the responses. Next one is class response. So these are the bar graphs. You can see roll number wise, roll number 1, 2, 3, 4 like this. So these you can find out here. Next one is A. Who is the Prime Minister of India? So all of them, 90% students have given the correct answer. Okay, so you can check it here. And one more thing.
ये सब जो responses दिखा रहा है, ये जो भी teachers attendees हैं, उन्होंने जो response दिया है वो दिखा रहा है ना ये?
वो वाले हाँ yes sir वही response.
अभी तो almost 32 teachers जो अभी अपने panel group जो webinar में 32 teachers ने respond किया.
Still I am receiving a response sir 34. Yes. You can see that यहाँ देखो responses बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. Now there are 35.
हाँ.
And yes. I think one teacher has uploaded the image also. Let me tell you how you can see this. So this is the image uploaded by one teacher. So I clicked on the image and let me see if it is visible. Till then it's uploading me, it is taking time. So this is the image, I got it. So now you can see here with the name and name of the teachers, you can see them, what score they have got.
Okay.
And now see now, this is the image. Image I नहीं अभी. Yes. Okay. Now one more thing. Now here, suppose I have given the time limit. Suppose I start the paper at 9 a.m. and I gave them the time 9:30 a.m. So I can close this here. I can stop accepting this responses. If I click here, so no one can send the response now. This is a very good option if you want to take it on time. Link you can share at any time, but whenever you are sharing the link, you have to this accepting responses to no accepting responses. You have to tick this button to not accepting responses, because whenever you are sharing the link, the student can start the paper straight away. But you want that on a particular date, the student will attempt the question. So what you will do, you will you will untick this box, not accepting responses. The student will not be able to open the form. The student can open the form only when you will click here. If I now, you can see 50 responses I got. So if I click here, not accepting the responses, then accepting responses. Now the students again can send the response. If this point is clear, any doubt about this particular point, this is very important. You can ask, because accepting responses is very important, because whatever test we gave, it is time based. So you can select the time here. Manually, you can do it. There are other options also, I will tell you, but manually is better. Now, next one is, suppose I want to see the responses. Yes, sir, any question?
Yeah, there are some questions. So please tell us to use limiter and timify.
Okay, I will tell.
एक वो पूछा है सर, मैं 2-3 क्वेश्चन जो आपको जैसे भी आपको सीक्वेंस में लेना हो. अच्छा, और दूसरा सर ये पूछा था कि एक सेकेंड, देयर वाज सम क्वेश्चन, हाउ टू सबमिट दिस फॉर्म. तो सबमिट वाला तो आपने बताया ही कि भर के उसमें सबमिट मशीन आ जाएगा, वो एक बार फिर से
यस,
है ना. और टाइमिफाई लिमिटर का आ गया, और सबमिट कैसे करना है. देन वन मोर क्वेश्चन वाज ऑन sir, is it possible to allot points for descriptive answers, and if yes, then मतलब कोई descriptive answer हम उनमें दे दे, ये point लिखा तो इसके नंबर दे दिए जाएं, ये लिखा तो इसके नंबर दे दिए जाएं.
हाँ, वो भी कर सकते हैं, वो उसमें ऑप्शन है सर.
है. और दूसरा
but in that option you have to select if one word is there, so you can select that word. मतलब एक वर्ड भी मैच हो जाता है तो पॉइंट विल बी गिवन,
पॉइंट मिले जाएंगे. तो ऐसे 3-4 वर्ड अपन मेन कीवर्ड्स बना सकते हैं कि बच्चे ने अपने डिस्क्रिप्टिव आंसर में कीवर्ड्स यूज किए हैं, तो उनको एक कीवर्ड के लिए आधा पॉइंट या 1 पॉइंट दिया जा सकता है.
हाँ, बट इट्स इम्पोर्टेंट टू चेक. सॉरी, आई स्ट्रेस के आप उसको चेक करो मैन्युअली. यू हैव टू चेक, बिकॉज यू कैन नॉट गिव ना.
सेंटेंस की फ्रेमिंग वगैरह भी देखनी पड़ती है, अगर सिर्फ पॉइंट के बेसिस पे देना हो तो. अच्छा सर,
only MCQs you can take it on 1 marker answers. अच्छा, 1 marker, there is one more problem. Okay, whenever you give 1 marker question, sorry, let me finish this and I will go back, sir. Okay, I will take it. Let me finish this. So accepting responses, I think is clear to everyone. Now come to the next part, how to send it. I will take the limiter also. Send, if you click on the send option, so send option, so it's okay. Now how to copy, how to share it with your co-teacher. So click on these 3 points, then there is an option add collaborators. So you can add collaborators also, but before going for that, you must make a copy of this, because otherwise this form will be shared with that collaborator. So first you have to make a copy of this form. So first make a copy, click on the copy. Then you can give the name to document. Already it is given copy of demo form. So I am taking this one also. So now, okay. So now copy of this demo form will be uploaded. Your original form is there, but now it is copy of demo form. You can see it here, copy of demo form. It is इसमें आ रहा है ना सर, इसके टॉप पे लेफ्ट साइड पे copy of demo form is located. So this is another form. ठीक है. Now what you do, go to the three dots again, more, then add collaborator. Click on add collaborator. So when I click here, so I can add collaborator here. I have to add. Let me add myself on. This is tsvedi19@gmail.com. So I have added my this email ID. You can add so many email IDs with it. Okay. After this, there is one option here, editor. So you will click on editor. Message you can write here. So it will notify to the the receiver. Then you can send. So after this, again, go to send button. Click here. This one. What is it? Not. Again, collaborator में जाके. Yes. Again, go to the collaborator again. Then you can see here. This is my email ID जो पहले थी tsvedi201@gmail.com. Here I am being honest. But when I share it with another email ID, so it is being shown as editor. Now what you'll do, you will click here and make the honor. You have to make this email ID as honor, your co-teacher as honor. So you can make this as honor. Then this is a note that the new honor will notify and could remove you. You also might lose the ability to change share settings. So now you will not able to edit it. So you have to click yes. So now you can see that tsvedi19 has become honor and this tsvedi20 has become editor. Now what you'll do, you will click here again and you will remove yourself. Then save. Yes. So I have no longer access to this. Now I cannot edit this form. You can see only 3 options are there. If I go on this. So I cannot make this as, now I cannot edit this. So this is the copy of demo. Now let me go to the previous form, demo form. Here you can see when I make a copy, so responses, if I click on responses, so it is being shown 0 responses. Means though other teacher, it will get 0 responses. Then that teacher can share with her student. So now I have opened the demo form. Okay, now let's go to the next point. Next point is you want to see the answers in a Google Sheet, Google spreadsheet. So you have to click here. First you have to go responses. After going to responses, you have to click this plus button, create spreadsheet. You have to click here. Then there are 2 options, create a new spreadsheet or select the existing spreadsheet. So I'm creating a new one. So you will get the yes. ये सर ये भी मैंने एक फॉर्म आज बनाया था, डेमो फॉर्म है.
Okay.
And here if I click on, now in this question, देखो, I have already added, this option is here, add on, because I was using another email ID, so in that option add on was not appearing. But you can click here, you can add on, you have to add. So if you click on add on, so new window will open where many options are there.
Mhm.
It will take time. Let's see. Yes. Now these are the options: form limitation, form limiter. Form limiter is already installed, so it is locked. Form ranger, timer, I have already installed. Timify.me. You can select these. Is it clear? Form limiter, Timify me or Timify me or एक दो और है मेरे ख्याल से.
तो ये एड-ऑन्स हम ऐड करके अपने उसको
Yes.
फॉर्म को जैसा कर सकते हैं.
हाँ. Okay. Now
से लेना पड़ेगा.
yes. Now it's already been added. So if I click on this button will appear when you will add some add-ons. So if I click here, add-ons, so I get this one: control acceptance responses, form confirmation emails, form limiter. ये मैंने already upload किए हुए हैं. So if I click on this form limiter, not opening. Yes, इसका आ गया. This is the description of this. Okay. Is this one? Add a timer. So you can add a timer also, but
तो सर जो आपने अभी चीजें बताई है मोटे तौर पे फॉर्म बना के हम दे रहा एड-ऑन्स, उन एड-ऑन्स के थ्रू हम अपने फॉर्म को और ज्यादा अच्छा बना सकते हैं.
Yes, you can note down this form limiter and timify.me. So you have to download these two options. Then you can schedule this time. You can give the time. मैं देख लेता हूँ एक मिनट में भी होगा. This is very good option if you. Okay, now देखो सर Google Form जो है, Google Form is good. Google Form normally क्या करते हैं, मैं इसका एक और ऑप्शन बताता हूँ कि जिसके लिए हम टीचर्स जो हैं, we can collect the information of the student.
Okay.
Like I have done, what I have done, I have created this Google Form like this. जैसे अभी आपने सर आपने किया है कि they have to fill their details in the Google Form. So after that you will get the answer in Google Sheet.
Yes.
वो Excel sheet बन गई. So you can collect the information from the students like their name, father's name, their email ID, father's email ID, mother's email ID, which is very important for these days. Their contact number, their address, their houses, all details the student can fill it online in the form and you will get a spreadsheet.
Okay.
Normally हम वैसे तो normally attendance register में we write all these details. So you can get a digital copy of this also, which is handy and you can see it anywhere. You don't have to do anything. You just have to create a Google form in which all these options are there and the student will fill those options and you will get the Google Sheet. Okay. Now how to create a Google Sheet. Google Sheets, I click on here. So I click here Google Sheets. Then personal again, similar जैसे उसमें क्या था, you can now here you can select a sheet, start a new spreadsheet. So I can select here. So this is a sheet is open. This is normal Excel sheet. But what you can do, you can share the link, and all the teachers can do the corrections or editing in the same form at the same time.
Okay.
Means 10 teachers, 20 teachers, they can fill this form according to their convenience at any time. And it will be auto saved. It will be appear to all the teachers.
Acha, acha. Okay.
Okay. Let me take this one. I'm writing this name. So like this. So after I have take these boxes, okay, I've written this. So now I can go to here, share privately to only me. If I click here, share button, let me give it demo sheet. So I've given the name. Okay. Now again, same thing, just like I shared the Google form. Similarly, I can share this one, get a link. So you have to select here, copy link. Link is copied. Now I'm posting here. In the chat box. So this link, so teachers, please open this link and again fill this form. Then I will tell you how you can do it. All the teachers can do it at the same time, and it will be visible here. It will be visible for all teachers who are doing it. Yes, teachers, try please. Yes, someone was asking, can we ask subjective long questions also? Yes, I gave already answers. Okay, you can ask the subjective questions also.
सर आपने लिंक शेयर नहीं किया अभी?
लिंक शेयर किया सर मैंने जस्ट नाउ
अभी
चैट बॉक्स में इट इज अपीयरिंग सर दिस वन आई कैन शेयर अगेन
हाँ अब आ गया
so whenever someone will start
सर ये एक्सेस की रिक्वेस्ट देनी पड़ती है क्या गूगल?
एक मिनट हाँ मैं देख रहा था वो ऑप्शन रहेगी होगी ये आ सर ये आ गया नीचे anyone with the link you have to give this option anyone with the link
okay
done so if you are getting the option
yes sir वो sheet खुल गया
ठीक now you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 these figures are images आ रही हैं कुछ yes 14 teachers are doing this 19 total 19 out of 19 15 are writing so you can see but now I don't know their names so if I send them to Gmail ID then their names will be appearing here
okay अभी सबको anonymous दिखा रहा है वो
हाँ अभी anonymous now there are 23 you can count here 27 total viewers हैं out of which 20 are doing this one
तो मतलब 20 जैसे अभी लिंक हुए तो we all can work on this sheet ऐसा
yes so you can simply share it with your students if you want to get some answer you can questions भी आप डाल सकते हो you can put questions also but it's better to do it with Google Forms if you want
सर इसमें टाइप करने को तो नहीं दे रहा है वो it is not allowing you to type दिखा रहा है दो इट इज शेयरिंग। अच्छा, इसमें ऑप्शन है व्यू ओनली का, रिक्वेस्ट एडिट एक्सेस। ओके,
हाँ हाँ, इसमें एडिट का आएगा, ये रहा एडिटर अपडेटिंग।
इसमें एडिट का एक्सेस देंगे तो हो
हाँ
जाएगा।
हाँ, एडिट का। So now you can see here, sir.
यस सर, यस सर।
So sir, you can see के Google Sheet is ये सारा आ रहा है. So like this, you can share it with your students also, or your co-teachers if you want to get any information. And whatever you are typing, it is being saved automatically.
ओके, तो सर ये जो आपने अभी दिया है इसके अंदर ये जो चीजें डिस्प्ले हो रही हैं, तो ये सभी को एक्सेस है कि कुछ को, ये जैसे कभी कुछ लोग कह रहे थे जैसे मुझे भी वो मैं नहीं कर पा रहा था टाइप, तो ये ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है या कुछ लोग नहीं कर पा
Sir,
रहे हैं?
वो मैंने ऑप्शन बताया ना, if I click on the share button,
हाँ
if I click on the share button,
हाँ हाँ,
so these are the options.
ओके,
So here you can write their names, or you can
हाँ,
make a group, or you can this one, or you can get a link. So
Okay.
whenever you get this link,
हाँ,
here you can see the change. If I click on change, तो change में क्या हो गया? Yes, now change में आ गया anyone with the link. Anyone with the link
हाँ।
be editor. Means anyone with the link can see it.
अच्छा, तो सर ये जो लिंक आपने पहले भेजी थी ये वही लिंक काम करेगी कि दूसरी लिंक काम करेगी?
वही वाला लिंक है सर, same.
अच्छा,
But I allowed it now. I allowed them to edit, editor, commenter, or viewer.
ओके,
These are the options here. So whenever you share anything with the Google, it will appear like this. So if you are sharing your Google Drive में भी से कोई file if you are sharing, so you can give access to someone, or you can give access to all.
फॉर्म हो गया। गूगल क्लासरूम के लिए तो टाइम नहीं बचा है।
गूगल क्लासरूम के लिए तो सर काफी बड़ा चाहिए, एंड गूगल क्लासरूम वन थिंग इज के उसके लिए जी सूट भी चाहिए. आई कैन गिव यू वन डेमो, उसमें बता देता हूँ हाउ टू डू इट. Otherwise I can share this one also. Again you have to go Google Classroom. If you go to the Google Classroom,
जी,
click on this Google Classroom. So these are the options appearing. First one is, if I click here, I can create classes, calendar, to do. These are the classes I have already taken, added. So how to do this? Let me explain. I think everyone can sign in to Google Classroom. It's not tough to sign in Google Classroom. You can sign it through your Gmail ID. After this, this page will appear. And here you can see that there is plus button. If you click on this plus button, so either you can join a class or you can create a class. So as a teacher, you have two options, but as a student, they will get only one option to join a class. I think this point is clear.
yes.
Okay, first go to this plus button. Then you will get two options: join a class or create a class. So if you want to join the class with your co-teachers, you can join that class, or you can create a class. So let me create a class. I am creating this. So create class. So these options, this is the option. If you so school must sign up for a free GSU for education. ये option आ जाती है. GSU for education. Let school decide which one. So I have read this and understood. So I can click here. ये option उनके लिए students के साथ नहीं कर सकते हम, without the permission of the school. So I click this, then continue. So now here is the option create a class. You can give the class name. Class name, let me give 12. Section you can give a new section A. Subject you can give, I can give accountancy. Then if the room number is allotted to you, so you can write the room number also. Let me give room number 7, then create. So this option is here now. Now you can see here, we have here 12th A class name, section, class code is appearing. Now you can share this class code with your students. So with this code, they can join in your class. So once they are joining, you can see if all the students have joined, you can change this code so that no fake ID, with no fake IDs, the student can join. More students cannot be joined if you change the code. I will tell you how to do this. Now you can select the theme. You can change the theme of this. Also, you can upload the photo. Now, next one is this one, classwork. First, let me tell you how to add students. Here, if I click here, people. Go to people. Now you can add the teachers, co-teachers also, because suppose I am taking 12th A accountancy and one teacher is taking business studies, one teacher is taking economics. So I can add those teachers and they can take the class through this also. So no need to make different groups. So only one group or one class can be created, 12th A is created, and the teachers can they take their respective classes at a different time. You can add the teachers, you can add the students. So you can invite the students. How it will appear? You will invite the students. You have to type the email ID. Suppose I am typing. What I have done, I have made the Google groups of the class. So I can simply put one post in the Google groups and the students can join through that.
Okay.
So, let me take this one. So I'm inviting. So now you can see here, my name is appearing and it is written invited. Now the student will get this invite. So in the invite, the student has to admit, submit. Let me see if I get it. Now, sir, you can see that I got these demo sheets जो सबने fill किया. I got these responses is my email ID also.
Okay.
ये सब मेरे इसमें भी आ गए. तो इसमें I can uncheck that box from there. So I will not get these responses here. They are asking for request for access. Okay, now let me come to back to this one. Okay, after this, I admit this. So my name will be appearing here. So people can be added through this. Or second option is you can give them the code. Code was here. This is the code 7UCGAUE. So this code you can share with the students through email ID, through WhatsApp group. They can join through this also. Now next one is classwork. How to do classwork. Now there is the option Google. You can class drive folder, Google Calendar, create. You can create assignments and questions. Use topics to organize classwork into modules or units. Order work the way you want to see it. Here you can create it. So in creation, same wo aa gaya assignment, quiz assignments. You can create questions. You can select the material. Material if you want, you can take the material from anywhere, like here. So you can give the title, what material you want. Suppose I want project file, project. Description you can give. You can add the link from either from Google Drive link. If you know the link, you can simply add that link.
file you can upload, you can upload the YouTube. Acha, one thing is very good for this one. Okay, whenever you share the link with the student, YouTube link with the student will open the will click on that link, and the YouTube video will appear, and there they can see other videos also, and with advertisement it is appearing. So many distractions are there.
Okay. Yes.
But when you share the YouTube here, only the video, that particular video will appear.
Okay.
Nothing else, no ad, nothing else will be appeared.
Achha,
This is a very good option if you want to share with the students the video, YouTube videos. So you can share through this Google Classroom.
Okay.
If I click it on here, so
Fine, sir.
So
अभी now we need to practice these things right now. अभी तो ऐसा है कि आपने जो आज सिखाया, आज काफी कुछ बताया. You taught lot of things of Google Forms के बारे में, and then about the Google Classroom. Google Classroom को थोड़ा सा एक बार practice करना पड़ेगा, because अभी इसमें कई चीजें हैं. There are certain elements.
Yes.
We need to practice
but
that.
at least they can create their classroom. So next time जब भी time मिलेगा, we can.
हाँ, हम लोग what we can do is जो list Google में जाके हम अपनी classroom create कर लें. इतना कर लें.
Yes.
Further interact with that. एक उसके ऊपर कभी दोबारा एक session कर लेंगे सर का. And that is how we can go about it. So sir, we end the session today.
Okay. Sir, you can take the question answers. Last time भी हमारे रह गए थे. If any question they can ask.
Questions answer में जो है, okay.
They can raise their hands. We can ask them.
I can't see the page. Grades filled with. अच्छा नहीं वो हो गया अपना. And sir, why my Google Classroom doesn't show marks in the student after the test using Google Form? Google Form से उन्होंने टेस्ट लिया होगा, तो Google Classroom में मार्क्स नहीं दिखा रहा है.
मैम उसमें फिर ऑप्शन अगर उन्होंने टिक की होगी तभी आएगा.
ओके.
गूगल क्लासरूम में फिर अगर आपने वो मार्क्स किए हैं तो यू विल गेट देयर आल्सो. ये तो आने चाहिए मार्क्स.
What we'll do is कि काम हम करेंगे कि आप लोग जो भी यूज कर रहे हैं Google Classroom, we can have a close मतलब वेबिनार की जगह एक मीटिंग कर लेंगे, जहाँ पे आपको भी अपने स्क्रीन के साथ बैठ के अपने पर्सनल जो डाउट्स आ रहे हैं वो कभी सॉल्व कर लेंगे. when sir would have, है ना, हम
yes sir now
कर लेंगे, क्योंकि एक इंडिविजुअली डाउट्स वी कैन शेयर देयर. वहां पे हम डाउट्स उनके सबके इंडिविजुअली शेयर कर सकते हैं, है ना. तो उस केस के
it is not chargeable.
हाँ
सर नहीं, एक इसमें है ना कि sometimes I get fake persons in my Zoom meeting also.
Okay.
So what I do, I made a group बना लिया Google groups of students. So I send them through email ID only, and they sign it with Zoom. Zoom से वो sign in करेंगे, then their name will appear. Otherwise their name will appear as a guest. Zoom जो भी use कर रहा है, whosoever is using the Zoom, this is the best option. Okay, you ask your students to first sign it in the Zoom, then come to the class.
Okay. Sign in the Zoom का मतलब है Zoom करके
उसमें अगर sign in करके
अपने email
then
से
their name will be up.
अपने email से sign कर.
Yes. Sign करके then they through that link, if they join through the link, so their name will appear without any guest. Otherwise उनका नेम के साथ गेस्ट आ जाएगा, तो यू कैन इजीली सी के सम अदर स्टूडेंट इज जॉइनिंग. तो जो फेक आईडी से अंदर आ जाते हैं, यू कैन इजीली रिमूव देम.
ठीक बात है.
तो ये भी टीचर्स के साथ बड़ी प्रॉब्लम आ रही है Zoom मीट के ऊपर. आई थिंक वी कैन टेक वन मोर webinar or Zoom meeting on their problems.
Yes. So sir, thank you so much for the today's session. And I think कि काफी कुछ informative रहा होगा लोगों के लिए. And अभी जब ये सब चीजें जो है वो ज्यादा practice से. Thank you all of you. Thank you. We end this session. Thank you.